Welcome to Learn It, a series of digital scrapbooking tutorials by Studio Wendy at Scrapbook Graphics. Hey everyone, I'm here in Photoshop Elements 12 and I wanted to demonstrate how to use these knockout styles that I've created for use with the Lightroom Pocket Collages. In Elements, you cannot set the opacity of the fill separately from the opacity of the layer styles. In Photoshop Full Version, we can, and that enables us to apply a shadow but to hide the boxes. And so what we want to do here is load the styles first. So let's go up to Edit, Preset Manager. We're going to click the drop down and go to Styles, and then click Add. When you click Add, just locate the style file, the .asl file that came with the download, and it will pop up right here in your window and say Done. Once you've done that, you can go to your Effects panel, make sure you're on the Styles tab here, click the drop-down menu, and you can choose the WZ Lightroom Knockout styles from the menu. We have 5 styles in here. 4 of them will add a drop shadow and knock out the box. One of them will knock out the box and leave whatever custom styles you have already applied to that layer. So let me demonstrate the ones that come with the shadow first. Make sure you have the box layer selected, and then just double click on that style. And when we zoom in, we now see that the boxes have disappeared, but the shadow is left behind. And if you come over here, I can click that shadow on and off, and you can see how that works. Okay, so all of the shadow versions work by just double clicking on them here. If you have other versions of Elements, you may have to click the Apply button as well. Okay, so that's how those work. So what if you wanted to use styles from another designer? You don't want to use my built-in shadows. You can still do that. You just need to click on that set of shadows, go ahead and apply whatever effect you want to apply to that layer. And you'll see here that my shadow is showing up on the top right. Then I'm going to click and go back to the Lightroom Knockout styles and choose this blank style here that does not have any shadow on it and apply that one. And you'll see here it left the drop shadow, but it went ahead and hid the fill of that box. So that's how these shadows work along with the Lightroom Pocket Collages. So hopefully this will make it a little bit easier if you're using Elements to get your templates and shadows to play nice together. I hope this has been helpful, and I will see you next time on Learn It.